Have you ever thought to yourself, oh my goodness, I am never going to get to DJ ever again. This person is going to ruin my career. What's up, my goodbye DJ crew? You know how we do here on the Disc Jockey News. Today's Ask Kilma question is, what do you do if somebody that you previously worked with in the industry is trying to kick you out? This seems to be a themed question. It's really interesting that this is coming up, especially around this time, because I've seen a lot of this happening locally lately, and I've actually had a few people approach me about this. And one of my biggest things I really think people need to consider is that nobody actually has that power. Nobody has the power to make sure that you never DJ ever again in your town. If somebody says that they don't like you, that's fine. If somebody says they're going to ruin your reputation, all right, great, go for it. But it's not your responsibility to, become your own PR person and start defending yourself, even though that's one of the things that so many people want to do, because the thing is, people that cause that kind of drama within their industry do that to everyone. You're not alone. You're not the first one they've done this to. You will not be the last one that they've done this to. And I gotta tell you, after being in the industry for as long as I have, I see the same-ish disturbers. I've seen the same people make rumors about other DJs within the industry time and time again. And it's kind of like the little boy that cried wolf. Eventually, when they do run into somebody that is horrible to work with, no one believes them, because this is what they do. They just consistently put people down every single time they don't get what they want from that person. And I've experienced it myself numerous times. You have a business relationship with somebody and you stand up for yourself and you say, hey, this has got to be 50-50, or we need to make some serious adjustments in this business. And you can be professional, you can have paper trails, you can have contracts, and people can still try to do this to you. It's worth considering too that even if you do make a mistake and somebody is putting you down, the best thing you can do is just own that mistake and say hey, I made a mistake. I learned from it. This is how I'm going to do differently. And then move on with your life. We can focus all of our energy into this and it does nothing, or we can focus our energy into something that makes us happy, that we're passionate about, that, we can really thrive in. So, and I've had this conversation with so many different adults too, even just things happening in your life that you kind of have to laugh about, because you're this is so ridiculous. But there's not tons I can do, so maybe I'll just laugh it off and then try to find a solution. Just move on to the next thing. So really, please don't believe that somebody has that kind of power. Even the biggest jerks in the world still get DJ gigs, still get their bands, still get booked, they still get movie roles. So, if you're a good person and you didn't do anything wrong, or you are a good person that did something wrong, but you're learning from it, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. All right. Hope you found that helpful. Y'all know what to do if you have some Ask Kilma questions. Hashtag, and you should probably just tag me, just @Kilma, and I will do my best to answer them.